Hey everyone, good morning. I'm Priyanshi Agrawal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to solve today's Read Code Daily Challenge, which is clear digits. So let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, you are given a string S and your task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. What operation? Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left, and you need to return the resulting string after removing all digits. Okay, so let's say you have been given a string S, A, B, C. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to remove all the digits from this string. But as we can see, there is no digit in this string, so let's skip this test case and take this test case C, B, 3 and 4. Okay, so when we start iterating this string S, so okay, now right now we are at in first index 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a character. Okay, no issues. Let's move on. Oh, this is also a character. Okay, no issues. Let's move on. Oh, this is a digit. So we need to remove it. And along with the character to its left. Okay, so here we were waiting our answer string. So we don't need to add this digit to our answer, and we also need to remove the character to its left. It means we need to remove B, right? So we will also remove the last character from our answer so that the character to the left of the digit will get removed. Okay, now let's move on. Oh, 4, it is also a digit. So we don't need to add this also in our answer. And we need to remove the character to its left. Now B and 3 are removed. So what is remaining? C and 4. And we need to remove the character to its left. It means the C. So now we need to remove the C as well. So we will again pop the, or I will say again remove the last character from our answer. Now we have came to the end of our string, and our answer string is empty, as you can see here as well, right? So let's say if there is some other string, let's say A1, B, B, C, 2, D. Okay. Now when we start iterating on this string and building our answer, so okay, we are at A. Okay, this is a character, we can add this to our answer. Oh, now this is a digit. So we don't need to add this, and we also need to remove the character to its left. Okay, so we will remove the A from our answer. See, here we are using our answer string as a helper string to get our desired string. Okay, now let's move on. Oh, this is a character, we can add it to our answer. Oh, this is also a character, so we can also add it. Now this is also a character, we can add it. Oh, this is a digit. Now we don't need to add this and remove the character to its left, which is C. So we will remove C from our answer. Now let's move on. Oh, this is also a character. So our final answer, its string will be BBD, right? Okay, so let's try code this. First, let's store the length of the string in s.length, and then create a result string, and then we'll start iterating in our string, and we'll check if this is a digit. Then what we need to do is we will need to remove the last character from our answer. Otherwise, we will simply add that current character in our answer, right? And by the end of this loop, just return the answer. Let's try run this. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's try submitting it. Yeah, it's working fine. So what will be the time and space complexity of this? So as we have done a single iteration only, so the time complexity will become big O of n, and as we have not used any extra space while not considering the space of our result string, so its space complexity will be big O of 1. So yeah, this was all for this question. It was a quite simple question. I hope you get it. But if you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys. See you in the next video.